Hello, happy Tuesday. Glad you're here for another Best Friend Tuesday. Uh, this is about a product I was gifted. It's empty because I ate it earlier. Uh, it's from Fishwife Tinned Seafood. It's beautiful. It's fun. I have never been a canned fish person. I've been intrigued, but I've never bought it. And that's why this stuff is perfect. They did a great job with it, besides the actual product, which was delicious and delightful, and I enjoyed it. But it tells you what to try it with. It makes it accessible. There's a list of things to eat with it. If you need some additional hand holding, there's a whole bunch of recipes on the website. Just quick navigation will tell you exactly how to use these canned fish. And that's why their service design is spot on. Step one, find people who haven't tried canned fish before. Me. Step two, design it in a way that kind of makes it stand out, looks fun and interesting, and something that you want to see. Step three, tell them how to use it, what to do with it. And step four, give them more help if they're looking for it. They found all the ways it takes someone who is a complete novice in this, all the way through having a great time with their product. Nice work, Fish. Happy Best Tuesday. Hope you all have a good one.